Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. It's the second video of this week, and today we are going to start a new chapter. Do you know what is the name of chapter? In previous chapter we had read about many minerals. In southern plateau, many minerals are found over there in the region of southern plateau. So I thought that we should start a chapter in which you will learn about the minerals. So the next chapter which we are going to start today is the mineral resources. Okay, as in southern plateau many states were there and all the states were rich in mineral resources. So you might were thinking that what is mineral, what are mineral resources, what is use of these minerals. So today we are going to start the chapter number 12, which is the mineral resources. So let us start. In this chapter today I will explain you about mineral, what is mineral, then uses of mineral and types of mineral. All these things we will discuss today. My dear, you all have seen around you many things are over there. Have you seen? Have you ever noticed? Many things are over there, and all the things are made up of different materials. Okay, think about this, that from where these materials come. Do you know from where these material comes? Some materials are metal, some materials are non-metal, some materials are plastic. Okay, so these metals or these non-metals, from where these metals or non-metal comes, these all things comes from the earth crust. The nature has provided us many things, many useful things has been provided to us by nature, and this are known as the natural resources. Okay, and we get all these things from the earth crust. You can see mineral, a natural substance such as coal, salt, oil, etc., especially that is found in the ground, is known as minerals. Okay, in your book it's given that minerals are substances that occur naturally in the earth. Yes, correct, it is correct that the things that occurs naturally in the earth is known as mineral. Here you can see these are some minerals, these are the picture of minerals. Okay, in this sandstone is there, coal is there, marble is there, after that these are granite is there. Okay, many types of minerals are found in the earth. Here iron, aluminium, silver, copper, gold, these all are the example of mineral resources. Now another thing is rock, sorry, ore. What is ore? Mineral ore. Many times you have heard the name mineral ore, mineral ore. What is ore? Ore is nothing. Ore is rock. Okay, rock that contains enough metal. Rocks that contains the metal is known as ore. Okay, a rock that contains minerals in is known as ore. In your book it's given a rock that contains minerals is known as ore. These minerals are found in rocks. Okay, in rocks, these minerals are found in rocks, and the rocks which contains these minerals is known as ore. Here you can see the picture. This is the gold ore, this is iron ore, this is copper ore. These are the picture of ores. Minerals are found not only in the earth's surface, on the earth's surface. These minerals are found on sea also, deep sea. Okay, under the sea water, big rocks are over there, and these rocks also contains a large amount of minerals. The deep sea contains many different resources available for extraction, including silver, gold, copper, manganese, cobalt, and zinc. These all minerals are found under the sea also. These raw minerals are found in various forms on seafloor. Diamonds are also mined from the seabed by De Beers and others. Here you can see. This is the picture of under the sea. Okay, and you can see how minerals are extracted from these rocks. Okay, from these rocks mineral ores are extracted. Okay, so minerals are not found only on the earth's surface or under the earth. It is also found under the sea water also. Here you can see one more picture. Here under the sea water you can see big rocks are over there, and these rocks contains minerals. Mine. What is mine? Minerals are not found on the surface of earth. These minerals are found under the earth surface. Okay, and it is found deep under the ground. So the deep hole or system of passage under the ground where minerals such as coal, tin, gold, etc. are dug. Okay, we dug out the ground to take out the minerals. Okay, and these are known as mines. Here in your book it's written minerals that are found deep under the ground are dug out through large deep holes, and these large deep holes are known as mines. Here you can see the hole dug in the earth to take out mineral is called mines. Some mines are very deep also. Here you can see this is the picture of mine. This is also picture of mine. You can see the earth surface is dug out to take out the minerals. And mining is the process by which the valuable minerals are extracted. Okay, mining is the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth. Here, this is the digging out minerals from the surface of earth is called mining. In very short, you can write the answer that digging out to minerals from the surface of earth is called mining. There are mainly two types of mineral: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Excuse me. Metallic minerals, the minerals from which metals are extracted, or the minerals which contains metal are known as metallic minerals. whereas the minerals that contains non-metal are known as non-metallic minerals. Here you can see. These are the metals and non-metals. Metals are extracted from metallic minerals, whereas non-metals are extracted from non-metallic minerals. There is difference between metal and non-metal. Metals are hard and shiny, whereas non-metals are soft and blurred. These are not shiny. Okay, the example of metals are brass, aluminium, iron, copper, okay, bronze, steel. These all are the example of metals. And non-metal, silicon, sulfur, petroleum, coal, these all are the example of non-metals. Here these are the metallic minerals: iron, copper, gold. These are the metals and these are extracted from the metallic minerals. Whereas manganese, silver, zinc, nickel, these are also metals. These are also metallic minerals. These are the example of metallic minerals. Petrol, coal, mica, limestone. These are the example of non-metallic minerals. So, two types of minerals are there: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Things such as petrol, coal, mica, limestone are not hard. These are not hard and shiny like metals. Metals like coal, silver, sorry, coal not, iron, silver, gold, bauxite, aluminium, okay, copper. These all are shiny as well as hard. But petrol, coal, mica, these all are soft and non-shiny. These all are not shiny materials. Okay, so these are known as non-metals. This is all about this chapter. Today's class. In next class, I will explain you about metallic minerals. Okay, which metallic minerals are found in which part of India and what are the uses of these minerals. Okay, these things we will discuss in next class. Till then, bye bye.